we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a messy house all day clean with me. I did do the majority of the cleaning during my kids' nap time, but I also cleaned the upstairs after dinner. Now, just a disclaimer, I know that this isn't considered messy to some of you guys, and that is fine, but this is messy to me, so that is why I am calling this a messy house clean with me. So I'm actually going to be starting out in the laundry room. I just had all of these clothes hanging that I had been hang drying overnight that I needed to fluff up in the dryer. And then later on, you guys won't actually see me doing this, but I do end up putting them away.
So that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, no, it's no more, no.
And so moving into the kitchen, my kitchen was a hot mess this day. I rushed out of our home this morning because my kid had preschool and we were running late. You know how that goes. So there was just stuff everywhere. And then we came home and had a quick lunch. And then I put the kids down for a nap. So you're just gonna see me cleaning up after lunchtime, all of the dishes, picking up all of the countertops, putting things back where they belong, doing some dishes, and wiping down the counters.
Stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go.
I am still working on angles for you guys. Let me know how you are liking the way I'm filming. I'm trying to test out my new tripod that I got a little bit and doing different angles and heights and all of that stuff. So let me know how you guys are liking it.
No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
We both
And here you're gonna see a little clip of me trying to get my little Boo Halloween decor that had fallen behind my oven a couple of days ago, and I really missed it being there. So I'm gonna bring the oven out and try to grab it, and I do end up bumping my head on the cabinet, so you will see myself doing that.
wanna push it on down, but it will not leave. It's like I'm losing my mind, turning wrong into right.
Next, I'm just going to wipe down the stainless steel appliances. I have two little kids. I have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, and so they are constantly touching my stainless steel. And I feel like as soon as I clean them, their little hands are all over it again. But hey, I get to enjoy it for about 2 seconds.
Hazel lies, there's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. It's like I'm stuck in reverse, crashing back into you. What's the
Once I am done with that, I am just gonna sweep in the kitchen. You guys know I prefer sweeping the kitchen than using my Dyson. I just feel like it gets all of the hair and stuff out of the cracks of the floors a lot better. And then I am gonna be mopping in here as well. And actually, when I'm filming these voiceovers, I went out and I got a steam mop. And I want to know, do you guys prefer like a normal mop or do you use a steam mop? I'm just curious. Let me know in the comment section. I haven't tried out my steam mop yet, but I'm really excited to try it out.
I'm like a moth to a flame. I should've known better, but you're pulling me in, pulling me in. There's something in those hazel eyes. There's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. The harder we fight.
Moving into the living room, my living room wasn't really all that dirty. I just had some toys and like trash and other random stuff in here. So I'm just gonna quickly straighten it all up and then run the vacuum cleaner.
I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. I'm like a moth to a flame. I should've known better, but you're pulling me in, pulling me in. There's something in those hazel eyes.
Moving into our playroom, I usually have my 3-year-old pick up his toys, but since he was down for a nap, I didn't want to wait till he woke up because the floors in here were disgusting. They were sticky. There was goldfish all crushed underneath of their play table. I don't know what the heck they were doing in here. So I am just gonna clean up all of their toys so that I can run the vacuum through here.
I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good.
And then as I was saying earlier in the living room clip, I am just gonna vacuum the living room and the playroom.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Moving into the upstairs, this was later in the day after dinner time. That way my husband could watch our kids so that I could do this. I am trying to be more intentional with my time with our children. I really try to stray away from cleaning while I am with them. That way I am really using our time wisely. But in our bedroom, I have this basket of clothes that need to be put away. And then I'm just gonna kind of pick up in here. There's clothes on the floor and like cups and other random stuff. So I'm gonna pick it all up, make our bed, and make it look nice and tidy in here.
Now, all I do is thinking out loud. 'Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster, you're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind?
Moving into the kids' bedrooms, same thing. There's just kind of like random stuff on the floors because they come in here and they play and all of that stuff. So you're just gonna see me picking everything up. I am going to change the sheet outs on my son's bed. My kids are getting over croup, and so I've been trying to wash their sheets like every other day, if not every day, just to get all of the nasty, yucky coffee germs off of their bedding.
I wanna find out now, 'cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground.
And then I'm going to straighten up their bathroom really quickly as well. We did give the kids a bath this night, so there was just bath toys thrown out and towels and stuff. So I'm going to quickly pick all of that up. And then I'm just going to vacuum the entire upstairs.
One hell of a roller coaster, you're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind? What are you trying to find? Are we just wasting time? I wanna know. Tell me, what do you have in mind? What are you trying to find? Are we just wasting time? I wanna know. Tell me, what do you have?
Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this messy house clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation to get some cleaning done around your home as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.
Let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now.